We're gonna find how to find the number of digits. Example, you take n equal to 25768. So number of digits is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna find how to do this. So for this we can add one more variable called count. We initialize as 0. Let's take a while loop. While n is greater than 0, we're gonna iterate till n become 0. N become less than 0. And then simply we're gonna do like n equal to n by 10. So what will happen if I do this n equal to n by 10? Like 25768 divided by 10. So it will be 2576. So when I divide this again by 10, it will become 257. When I again divide this by 10, 25. If I again divide this by 10, it will get 2. So again if I divide by 10, so it's like total 5 times we are dividing. So we are going to do the same logic here. And then when I divide each time, I am going to make it like increment the count. So at the end, like print the count. So here we will get the number of digits it gets. Okay. So this is the actual logic. So we can do this in another way. So to understand those, we need to understand what is logarithmic. So let's see like what is logarithmic. So we have some, like log base 2 of value, or we can have log base 10 of something. We have something like 2 and 10. So let's see like how logarithmic of base 2 will calculated, and then logarithmic of base 10 will be calculated, and then we'll check like how we are going to calculate the number of digits by using the logarithmic. Okay, so let's take like a log base 2 initially, log base 2 of x. So what is logarithmic, right? Example, if we take n equal to 257, so to what power of 2 to get the number 257? That's the logarithmic. Example, if the base is 2, what power of 2? Example, 2 power n equal to 257. So in what power of n it become 257? That's the logarithmic of 2. Simply like example, we'll take it like log base 2 of 32. Now what's the value? So 2 power 0 is 1, 2 power 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So 2 power 5 equal to 32. So the value is 5 here. So similarly, we can do this in reverse way also. So let's say like what's the logarithmic of 10? So let's have like logarithmic base 10 of x equal to 1000. Maybe like we'll take it like log base 10 of 1000. What's the value here? So the same logic. So what is the logarithmic? To what power must be raised to the 10 to become 1000? That's the thing. So what power, like 10 power 0 equal to 10, 0, 10 power 1 equal to 10, 10 power 2 equal to 100, 10 power 3 equal to 1000. The value is 3. Okay. Similarly, like we'll have one more example. Log 10 of 100. We know, right? 10 power 1 equal to 10. 10 power 2 equal to 100. And the value is 2. Similarly, like if we take for log base 10 of this value, 10 power 3 equal to 1000. 1000 into 10, it's 10,000. This is 4. Similarly, we'll also analyze one more thing. log base 10 of 1000 equal to 3. Here you can find some pattern, right? When it's 1000, 100 it is 2. When it's 1000 it is 3. When it's 10,000 it is 4. So a digit is 3 digit, you have 2. Here it's 4 digit, I am getting 3. Here it's 5 digit, I am getting 4. Simply what we can tell, right? So logarithmic base 10 of 100 plus 1, that will become the number of digit, number of digit in this. So similarly, like we can tell like plus 1, which is 4. Here we have 4 digit, plus 1, which is 5. So here we have 5 digit. So here we get one template. So by using that, we can do like math dot log 10 of 1000 plus 1. This is going to give the number of digits. Okay. So instead of following this, right, even we can also do this one. To make it short, we can follow the logarithmic calculation. So when it comes to Java, we're going to convert this into integer, because sometimes you'll get some fraction number, right? Instead of its round of value, if I take like 2578, we'll get some fraction number. So to avoid this, we're going to convert this into integer. Math dot log of 10, so which is log base 10, 78 plus 1. This is going to give our values. This is going to return 3 plus 1, which is 4. Similarly, when you take for Python, first we are going to import the math, and then I'm going to convert this integer like math dot log 10 of 2578 plus 1. This is going to give the number of digits. Yep, that's it.